The different types of network switches. What is a network switch? Top-notch networking gear is a must to keep your organization running smoothly, and a network switch is one of the basic building blocks of your network. Simply put, it's a device that connects multiple devices together. Switches allow devices to share and transfer data, enabling communication between devices on the network. Switches work by processing packets of data and routing them to the intended destinations. In a small business setting, for example, a network switch could be used to connect a computer, printer, and server and pass data between all three. What are the different types of network switches, and how can you choose the right ones as your business grows and your networking needs expand? Here are some of the most common types of network switches, with more info on each below. KVM Switch, Managed Switch, Unmanaged Switch, Smart Switch, PoE Switch. KVM Switch. If you guessed that KVM stands for keyboard, video, and mouse, you would be correct. This type of switch is used to connect a keyboard, mouse, or monitor to multiple computers. These switches are often used to control groups of servers while saving desktop space by eliminating cables. Managed Switch. A managed switch is exactly what it sounds like, a switch that requires some oversight by a network administrator. This type of switch gives you total control over the traffic accessing your network, while allowing you to custom configure each Ethernet port so you get maximum efficiency over data transfers on the network. Unmanaged Switch. Unmanaged switches are generally made as plug-and-play devices and require little to no special installation beyond an Ethernet cable. The setup of this type of switch relies on auto-negotiation between Ethernet devices to enable communication between them. The switch will automatically determine the best data rate to use, switching between full duplex mode, where data is received or transmitted in two directions at the same time, or half duplex mode, where data is received or transmitted two ways but only one direction at a time. Smart Switch. Another popular type of switch in networking is the smart switch, also referred to as an intelligent switch. These devices are a type of managed switch with only a select number of options for management. Rather than providing the full management functionality of a managed switch, a smart switch may only provide functionality to configure a handful of settings, like VLANs or duplex modes. PoE Switch or injector PoE stands for Power over Ethernet. A PoE switch distributes power over the network to different devices. This means any device on the network, from PCs to IP cameras and smart lighting systems, can function without the need to be near an AC access point or router, because the PoE switch sends both data and power to the connected devices. Key features to consider. When determining which type of network switch will be best for your business, keep the following considerations in mind. Budget. Managed switches can be more expensive than smart or unmanaged switches. Customization. Do you need to perform extensive customizations and manage or prioritize network traffic? If so, a managed switch may be necessary. If you only need to perform some basic customizations, a smart switch can be a good choice. If you don't require any customizations at all, choose the plug-and-play functionality of an unmanaged switch. Speed. No matter which type of switch you decide on, be sure that the speed configurations match your needs. Look for fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabit or faster speeds depending on your needs, although most businesses will find that gigabit Ethernet helps network performance. Ports. If you will only have a few devices on your network, a limited number of ports may suffice. If your network needs are greater, however, be sure to choose a device with the appropriate number of ports. Some switches have up to 52. Stackability. If your network is expanding fast, a stackable switch can be a great option for fast configuration. Stackable switches allow you to configure multiple switches as if they were one, eliminating the need for troubleshooting individual switches. If the power fails or there's a problem with the port, a stackable switch will reroute the problem. Power. If you want to power your devices with your switch, be sure to select a PoE device. As mentioned above, these devices provide network functionality and power. Thanks you for watching our video. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and share.